Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this small video as an introduction to my website. Right, so this is my website, main page, home page here. Right, a couple of trades from the last week on the 23rd. This is a gold trade. This is a yen trade, and these are the buttons. You have a home page, then you have this button here is a monthly subscription. When you click there, you have this video that explains what is the subscription, and then you can subscribe for monthly, 6 months or 12 months, and all of that. What do you get, and all of that? It's written here, right? Or you can subscribe for a lifetime, right? So right now I have a discount going on, so you can email me about the discount, and I'll take care of that. Plus, so we have now Kalerna, Affirm, and Afterpay, all of these options available here. This is the monthly subscription. This button has a one-on-one coaching, and we have two different courses. One is for 10 hour, and one is for 5 hour, right? So this one, for 10-hour course, this is very, very detailed, every single thing from A to Z in detail. This is what it is, right? So you can sign up for that, and this is the different options. This is different combos with a one-on-one. What else you could get? Lifetime membership or my CTS5 alarm. I mean that robot, right? Or whatever. So these are three different combos and all of that available here on one button. Now, this one next to it that you can see if you want to watch the trades that are taken last week, for example. These are like almost this week. Today I'm making the video. It is Sunday night, and it is August 25th. Sunday market just got open, and this is the trade which is taken last Friday. The entry was last Friday, but I had it open and then all the way here, 165 pip on the 25th. I closed just Sunday night. Right now it's 8:24 p.m. So I closed this one just now, and below that is all yesterday's trade, not yesterday, last week's trade, 30 of them. One by one, you can see here all of these posted here, and everything is by the book, by the setup. And week before that was 38 trades, all of them posted here, right, step by step. Every trade you open, then you will see entry is there. SL move to break even plus entry style, entry, with the setup and everything, right? Every single trade is like that. Nothing random, nothing out of the blue without reason. No, everything has to be according to the setup. So all the trades are there, and this button here, before and after charts, this is usually what it is that based on these charts I take the trades normally, right? For example, I have this gold chart made today for this week, that it might drop here, it might go all the way to the upside, or might drop this way, right? This is the diagram here, or maybe this is another option, that it may drop a little bit and then go and make this pattern here, like this one, gold, a daily chart explaining that this trade was taken based on this, and this is how it turned out to be. And so all of these before and after, like this one here, I made the chart that is going to go up from here and then here. Look what happened. This is the trade, and this is what happened to the chart. It went straight up to the target that we have said that it's going to go. So all of these are the analysis that I do. See this USR index? I said it's going to drop, and boom. Last week, it came exactly to that after 4 months, but it hit the target, right? And so these are the before and after charts. You can see here we have 2 or 3 different courses. This is a harmonic pattern course. And you see this is a video that will explain what it is, what not, and this is what you're going to get. All of these are the videos available in this course, starting from here. This all the videos are here. When you sign up for this, you get the password, and then you can start watching this. A very, very important and valuable information in this course. This is the harmonic. This is all about Elliot wave. So this is the Elliot wave course here, with almost like 15 videos here, right? And it is on sale right now. You take advantage of that, and learn a lot about this business as of the harmonic pattern and the Elliott wave. This course is just, it's like for charity. I have it here. for everybody else. It's just almost free, right? Now, this one here, the robots, my robot CTS 5 and CTS Sniper, you can get these from here. This is the video explaining that how it works. And this is all the settings and everything about this robot, right? CTS 5. And Sniper is also available here. This is CTS Sniper. Also, video is here, how to use this one, right? And the entries and then targets and all of that. This one, we have videos. Every video that I post on the YouTube, it also comes here. So you can come here and then watch the videos. I don't know, something happened to this page and all my videos are disappeared from here, but this is the current video. Last video I made about the Bitcoin, and it's there. But then the whole video channel was here before, but something happened with the website, some problem. I'll fix it, and all the videos will be coming here. If you need to email me, contact me. This is the button to contact, and that's about it, right? So this is the website, and I'm gonna be making some changes in the price, and then put everything on sale. So just go ahead and take advantage of that, right? So this is it for now, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, as well as this is my Telegram. If you want to see, like a test drive, so you can just on my homepage, I think I have the button here to join the free trial right here, right? So you can join my Telegram and see how it is working there, right? So I'll be making some changes and putting things on sale tonight. So that's what it is. I just wanted to give a heads up. Before I do that. So be ready, and you will see some changes, and then take advantage of that, and take it from there. All right. So this is it for now, and hope to see you in my webinars.
Carl, how can you make these like really relatable like